today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project module. Let's go over what we're going to be going over today. I did plan on doing some light reading today, but I still am hooked up on this contract not working and our stuff not compiling. Let me go back over here to the contract. So for some reason our stuff still isn't working properly. I'm not sure why, and it's slowing me up. So what I may do is I may just take the next few days and the next few videos that it's going to be me documenting how we actually troubleshoot what's going on here, if we even can. As you can see, none of our imports are still not being registered or read. So nothing is working still like the way it's supposed to, even though we've already ran these things and gone through the steps already and everything was working proper previously before I moved forward and configured things around for the next modules after this. For some reason, nothing is working the way it's supposed to now. And I don't know exactly what we did or what we changed because I haven't gotten that far in the video making to document what we did or what we changed. So what I may do is I may just take the next few days to just document how we're gonna backtrack and see exactly what we can do to remedy this situation. As you can see, nothing here is working. You can see the squiggly lines under the imports indicating that the imports are not being read, saying that they're not installed, so we don't have access to them. As you can see, it's preventing us from actually deploying our contracts here in the terminal. So that's where we're at. I did plan on doing some light reading, but I don't want to keep on just reading and going forward without at least trying to see what's going on and showing you what we can do when you run into these kind of problems yourself if you are taking these steps also. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. I just wanted to show you what we're going to be doing for the next few days, and if you want to stay tuned, you can. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.